What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This here behind me is the next project that I get to tackle. Belongs to a buddy of mine, and we're going to put a fifth wheel plate in it. My shop's not big enough, as everyone said it wouldn't be, to do everything. So no matter how big you build them, they're just not big enough. So I'm having to do this outside. Anyway, let me show you what I got going here. Alright guys, this is the underside of the fifth wheel plate here, and if you look right here, it's wore completely through on this side right here, and the other side is pretty much the same way. The kingpin, I don't know if you can see right here how worn that is, so it's getting a new plate across here, a new kingpin. And I've got a guy building this plate for me, bending it for me, and I'm actually I'm adding a bend, having him add a bend right here on the back. So this will be a 90 up to add some additional strength. We got to replace some cross members on the inside. I'll hop up in there and show you that too. All right, guys, I'm up on top of the trailer here. This is looking down into the trailer. Got the boards tore out of the trailer. And this cross member right here is staying. Everything from here forward is coming out. So all three of these right here, this main one right here, those two, and the plate is all being cut out because they're rusted in two. I don't know how well you can see it on camera, but let's see, that one there, you can definitely tell it's rusted to the point you can stick your finger in it. That's 1/4 inch tubing. That's 4x8 1/4 tubing. But your kingpin is up under this piece here, and it's welded all in there. You can see on the back side there how rusty that is, rusted through. And this fifth wheel plate here is a 1/4 inch plate, going back with a 3/8 plate and a kingpin that's made for a 3/8 plate. It's more like what they put on a log trailer and low boys and stuff. Most of these flatbeds come with a 1/4 inch plate just for weight savings and whatnot, I guess. But that's what the next project's gonna be. This here is the new kingpin that's going in there. I don't have the fifth wheel plate yet. I got a guy that I know at a fabrication shop that I'm having build that. He's got it's a big company, but he works there and he's pretty high up, and he's taking care of that for me. I sent him the drawings and stuff. I'll show you the drawings, and I sent him and everything and what he sent me back to approve. But anyway, he's handling that part, and they have big brakes and rolls and a big CNC table. They don't have like a little 4x8. They got like a 6x20 CNC table or something. The big stuff. So he said he wouldn't have any problem breaking that 3/8 plate like that into a 90. So I'm letting him handle all that, and I'm going to weld the tubing and the braces to it and put it all up under there and weld it all in. So let me show you that drawing real quick. All right, guys, this is the drawing that I drew and sent to the guy I know at the fabrication shop that's making this plate. And there was some changes made to this back and forth through text message and whatnot, some corrections and a little bit of changes. But this is the roughly what I drew out that I wanted. Hopefully that's coming through pretty clear. And I'll show you what he sent me back here. So this is the drawing that they did in CAD or whatever they did it in. You can probably tell a lot more about that. Turn it around this way. You can see the bend in the front of the plate there and the rear of the plate that the other one don't have that we added. We got the drain holes there. We got an inspection hole in the front of it and the kingpin hole in the center. So that's what it's supposed to look like when I receive it. So we'll find out when I get it. Alright guys, so that's this project and kind of the summary of everything's going on. I want to show you guys those diagrams so you wouldn't be in the dark, and you can kind of see how that come about and everything, and how it's being made and stuff. And the guy's supposed to have the plate for me ready in a few days, and we're going to go pick it up, and then I'm going to weld the I'm changing the design up. I'm not putting the cross members back like that. That's like an old style. I think that trailer's a 94, and that's kind of an old way of doing it. The newer trailers, the cross members are laid differently, and it looks like it'll be a faster way to put it back together. So I'm going to change the design up a little bit, and I'll show you guys. Try to show you guys a little bit along or whatever in the next video what I'm doing, but it's going to have more steel in it than it did to start with. You can see how bad a shape that there's in. So anyway, stay tuned for the next video. Hit the subscribe button, the like button. We'll see you guys next time.